Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. Ang topic natin ngayon is about how to estimate rebars in CHB wall. Halimbawa, ang pader na ito ay may sukat na 2.4 meters in height by 3 meters in length, may vertical reinforcement na 0.60 meters on center at horizontal reinforcement at every 3 layers. Ilang 6 meters na bakal kaya ang magagamit sa pader na ito? At bago po tayo magpatuloy, intro muna tayo. Now let's proceed. First solution, per square meter method. Kunin natin ang area ng bakod. Area is equals to length times height. Area is equals to 3 times 2.4. Area is equals to 7.2 square meter. Vertical reinforcement at 60 cm on center. Referring to table 3-4 by the square meter or area method. Multiply 7.2 times 2.13 is equal to 15.34 meters. Convert this value to the commercial length of steel bars, say at 6 meters. 15.34 divided by 6 meters is equal to 2.56, say 3 pieces. Select 3 pieces 10 mm at 6 meters long. Horizontal bars at every 3 layers from table 3-4. Multiply 7.2 times 2.15 is equals to 15.48 meters. 15.48 divided by 6 meters is equal to 2.58, say 3 pieces. Select 3 pieces 10 mm at 6 meters long. Now order 6 pieces na 10 mm by 6 meters steel bars. Dumako naman tayo sa second solution na per block. Kunin ulit natin ang area ng pader. 3 times 2.4 is equal to 7.2 square meter. Determine the number of CHB. 7.2 times 12.5 is equal to 90 pieces. Referring to table 3-4, vertical reinforcement per block at 0.60 meters on center. Multiply 90 times 0.171 is equals to 15.39 meters. 15.39 divided by 6 meters is equal to 2.56, say 3 pieces. Select 3 pieces 10 mm by 6 meters long. Horizontal bars for every 3 layers. Referring to table 3-4, multiply 90 times 0.172 is equals to 15.48 meters. Convert to commercial length. 15.48 meters divided by 6 meters is equal to 2.58, say 3 pieces. Select 3 pieces 10 mm by 6 meters long. Now order 6 pieces 10 mm by 6 meters steel bars. At dito po natatapos ang bidyong ito. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!